My name is David Maletta. I'm an attorney with Colburn Hintze Maletta. Let's talk about what to do right after a car accident. What are your steps? Step one is to call the police. You want to call the police before anybody leaves the scene. They'll document what happened. Sometimes they'll state who they believe to be at fault for the accident. You want to call the police right after the accident. Second, you want to take out your phone and you want to take videos and pictures of everything at the scene, of your injuries. If the other party seems to have any injuries, the placement of the cars at the accident. You want to document everything that you can with video and pictures. Third, you want to get the opposing party's name, contact information, and insurance information. Next, you want to get any witnesses' names, contact information, phone numbers, everything so we can reach those witnesses. You want to call us. In other words, call an attorney. Get solid legal advice, talk to them, get representation as soon as possible. Next, you want to call your insurance company and let them know what happened. You want to seek immediate medical attention for your injuries. You want to follow up with the doctors after that day and the treatment after that day. Follow up with your medical treatment or physical therapy or whatever is needed in the case. And you want to be organized. Now, you want to create a file with the receipts of all your doctor's visits, treatment, physical therapy, anything you've done. We're creating a file of your injuries, of what was needed to get you back to health. We need a file. We need it organized. If we're your attorneys, we'll organize that for you if you want to send it all to us, and we'll make it nice, organized, in a concise, easy way to deal with. Things that you don't want to do, and you can really take some missteps after a car accident. You don't want to apologize. You don't want to make any admissions. It's natural when you bump into someone or there's an accident to apologize and say, I'm sorry. That's polite behavior, but that's not something that would behoove you here because you didn't do anything wrong. You don't want to make any apologies or admissions that can later be used against you. You never want to say I'm fine or I'm not injured or something like that, because that will also be used against you. Let's say right now you feel okay, but in 2 days you're not going to feel okay. Well, you may not feel okay in 2 days, and you may regret saying that because you better believe that's going to be used against you. Do you notice when you work out, you feel fine after you work out, but 2 days later you're really sore? That's what can happen here. Is you might be fine right after the accident, but a couple of days later, you'll be like, oh my God, my neck I'm a mess. I can't get out of bed. I can barely move. Yeah, so don't make any admissions that are going to later be used against you. Next, you do not want to give a recorded statement to the opposing party's insurance company. They would love to get you on tape saying stupid things. You don't want to do that. You want to, better yet, don't even talk to them. Just get us on board. We're the ones that'll deal with them, because anything that you can say to them is going to be used against you. You'll regret making any statements. Next thing you don't want to do is blow off treatment. You know, we're building a case, and one, for your own health, to get you healthy. Two, to document what you've gone through. We need to show the treatment that you've done. And if you're blowing off treatment, it doesn't look like you're that injured. And it's also not going to get you back to where you need to be in a healthy state. If you're in a car accident, call us. We can definitely help you. And we do these cases on a contingency basis, meaning we don't collect unless you win. So we don't take $1 unless you get paid.